My name is Rekha Sharma, connecting you from Delhi. If I talk about my expertise, I am BCom, BEd, and CTET qualified. And apart from this, I'm running a YouTube channel, English with RVS, and living in the nuclear family with three beautiful souls, and married with twin baby. That is all about me.
Okay, that's great. Very good to know about you. Okay, what's the meaning of RVS?
RVS is an essential, or I would say, abbreviation of my name. R for Rekha, V for Vineet, S for Sharma. RVS.
Okay, that's great. Okay, I'm going to introduce myself. As you know, my name is Susmita Kaushik. I belong to Assam. Currently, I stay in UP. About my qualification, I have done master in education. I used to teach the computer before marriage, but now currently I'm totally homemaker and mother of one small kid. That's all about me.
Lovely, lovely to know. Lovely to know the fact you are passionate towards learning this language, and simultaneously you are running a YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Yes, I have been running YouTube channel for 6 months and it's going on well, I can say.
Great, great. Me, what do you want to know, and what question you want to ask me, or should I ask you?
Yeah, you can ask or I can also ask, but I don't have any topic today because I have connected with the, strangers today after a long time, maybe after 10 days because my baby was under the weather, so I was not able to connect. So
So
that's the
how is
reason. And
okay?
yeah,
Mm-hmm.
I'm blank now, I don't have any topic to discuss, so normal conversation, it would be better for now.
No worries. How's your baby now? How's your baby now? First of all.
Now he is okay. He started to go to school, so I'm little relaxed now. Otherwise, whenever it's every mother it's happened whenever their kids under the weather, so that time they do not feel to talk with anyone. So it
Mm.
yeah. So yeah,
Yes.
I Mhm. Okay, ma'am. Please tell me about your English learning journey because your English is quite impressive. So I love to know about you. How did you start? When did you start?
Okay, I'm two state of mind from where should I start, because it's a long journey, but let's just cut that long story to the short.
Yeah,
You know,
sure.
when I started my journey, it was a surreal for me. I would say daunting task for me, because at my home everyone speak in English, but I was the only person who, yes, who never, I mean, speak English in English, because I feel comfortable in Hindi. I love to flaunt that language, and that language had its own beauty, that own essence.
Mhm.
But I would say this language is actually forced on me because of environment, because of my kids. Everyone is speaking in English, so I thought, let's just take a try and push myself, challenge myself to learn this language. But I was not that time, may not right now also. I'm aware of grammar, rules and regulation in English, but the thing is that I need to keep myself on practice mode. I was not practicing that time. So I thought, let's just go with the practice. Let me just give a, muscle practice through my mouth, and practice a lot, and started my YouTube channel as well to practice
Okay.
with my co-learner, and if I have something to knowledge to impart to my co-learners. So in that way, I've started my journey, and it's been, I think, 9 months, and I'm
Okay.
still continuing with this practice, and keeping myself on the practice mode, because practice is the first funda to learn this language. The more you will speak, the more you will give the practice to your mouth, your muscles, your brain. Automatically, the words, the sentence structure will sink in your brain.
Yes, yeah, totally agree with you. And you have already environment, so I think you did not face any kind of difficulties to speak.
It is not like that. It is not like that. I born and brought up in Hindi, background. I did study from the vernacular medium. I studied ABCD from sixth standard. It
Okay.
was very difficult task for me, like everybody has, right? So I would not say it is very, it is kind of a platter, or I have a silver spoon to learn this language, right? Like I told you, everyone speak in English, my home, but I was the only person who was not speaking. So I, it was again a very daunting task for me, because this is my, dream. If I want to learn this language, so I need to take the step. Nobody is going to give me, babysitter. They will not sit with me like a babysitting person, and they will not give me a, food with a spoon. They will not provide me a platter. They will not provide me a silver spoon. Right? This is my dream, so I have to practice. I have to take the step. Until and unless I will not take, how do I learn it? So it's very daunting. It was a very daunting task for me. But yes, if you want to learn this language, and if you are, this language is really appeals to me. Yes, on top of that, so I learn it by my own, by my practicing myself, to myself, not just waiting to anyone. Somebody will come and give me practice, and somebody will come and take my whole hand, come here and we will teach you this English. I never never took a classes for this language. I learn it
Mhm.
by my.
That is the good thing. Yes, everyone, no one can help you to learn this language. It's
Mhm.
totally up to you, right? How much you are putting effort, that much you will able to speak. But I'm talking about you have environment. I think your family person speak English. That's the way you are express yourself in front of them. Because in India, especially, we don't have environment to speak in our home as well, right? So only we can talk in front of camera or through this mobile. So if
Mhm.
you are the lucky person, so you have environment at home, that is the plus point for you to, recover or learn English very quickly. Faster, it would be faster.
Yes, yes. If I talk about my kids, they are 8 years old. I have a twin babies, and they are 8 years old. Yes. When they were 1 year old, right? They usually speak in English, Hindi, sorry, Hindi only.
Mhm.
So, I never helped them to learn this language. Never. They
Okay.
have created their own environment. I just wanted to tell the viewers, right? If you want to learn this language now, if you want to learn this language, then first of all, stop crying. Don't be a sore loser. Why I'm
Mhm.
telling you, if a 1 year baby can do it, then I believe everybody can do it. Then I'm motivated by them, from my kids, because they have created their own environment by looking at the YouTube channel, watching movies in English when they were 1 year old. Now they are 8 years old. They motivated me, Mama, you should learn this language, you should speak in English and all that. So I am not, yes, if they can create their own environment, then why not we all can?
Definitely, definitely. How they got interested to learn this language? If you are
Yes,
not putting, then.
yes. That time I would say I had a habit. Whenever they were insisting me to, Mama, we wanted to watch the television, and just turn it on, but in English language, not in Hindi. I always
Okay.
insist them to watch in English, because this is in my control. When they were 1 year old, that was in my control, that what kind of a language I should provide them. So I decided that I will give them, that English environment. So I always force myself, insist myself, whenever I'm going to allow to watch television, that should be in English only. So that's how they have, generated their interest towards English language.
Listen. Yes, I also was doing the same, but now my baby, he became smart, so he can every channel now. He prefer to watch, Hindi nowadays. Earlier he used to watch a lot English videos, and he understand each and everything. But I don't know what's happening nowadays. He doesn't prefer to watch English. Mama, whenever I entered the room, then only he switch in the English videos. So this kind of activity he's doing, and he is avoiding to learn this language nowadays. Now he becomes smart and younger, older as well. So, do you know how to switch? How to avoid the Hindi channel from YouTube? Is there any setting? I find, but I couldn't find.
No, is there is I believe there is no setting. There is no
Okay.
setting for Hindi, English, English, Hindi. No setting.
Mhm.
You know,
Yeah. Mhm.
when I noticed that my kids are now, they are putting their efforts toward English language. They are now trying to speak in English. So that time at my home, we eradicate that environment of Hindi. You know what is most important in kids? Kids observed.
Yes,
They
that is the
imitate. They imitate. If
yeah.
they will see their parents are speaking in Hindi, they will also speak in Hindi.
Yes.
First we have to change ourselves. As a parents, we need to change ourselves. So we change ourselves. I mean, me and my husband, we change ourselves. We start talking in English. When they notice, when they observe their parents is speaking in English, then why not? They also started speak in English. So
Okay.
this
That
is the main, the main, best main, I would say the best point, that parents should change first, then expect, then anticipate from their kids, because kids are observe, they have very good observatory skill.
yeah, they are very smart mind to observe, especially whatever we are doing, they
Hmm.
very quickly pick up. Otherwise, how much we are affording to do this thing, they definitely don't do. That is the
Hmm.
truth. Are
So this
observing
is
first.
the, try this is the best technique, I would say, because I'm doing the same at my home. We both, as a parents, doing the same thing. If we want that our kids clean up their room, first we need to clean our room. They
Yeah.
will observe, they will imitate it immediately. They will not cross question to you, mama, you are not doing, why should I do?
Yeah, definitely. That is the truth. And I do the same as well. And my baby also imitate me. He
Yeah.
does each and everything. So yeah, I'm totally agree with this. But nowadays, I don't know why there are lots of cartoons videos showing on YouTube by Hindi. So he can easily understand each and everything. No need to put extra effort to understand their words. So that's why I always we prefer to watch Hindi nowadays. But I'm trying to find, how I can avoid the Hindi channel from the YouTube. So I couldn't find. So
Mm-hmm.
that's why I asked to
Or
you.
you can do it, you can keep a condition in front of him.
Mhm.
Try to allure him, try to give him some kind of, greed him, okay, I will give you this, but you have to watch this, condition, try to put the condition in front of him.
That is the also will work. Yeah,
Hmm.
definitely. I try this one also. Yeah, I also say like this. If you watch English, then I will give you something to you. But whenever I enter in the room, then only he will switch into the English movie or English videos. Otherwise, he switch in the Hindi.
For me, I have created one entrenched habit at my home. The thing is that I always keep one condition in front of my kids. If you will follow me, I will definitely follow you. 200% follow you. But first, you have to follow me. I will follow me. Then I will follow you. From Monday to Friday, they follow me, and Saturday and Sunday, I follow them. But
Okay.
yes, but there should be a line, it should not be beyond the boundaries.
Mm-hmm.
Right? You can't anticipate anything which is beyond my limit.
Yeah.
Right. So that's the condition I'm always putting. And the second thing is, if they say, mama, I don't want to eat this food, right? Because always kids insist, right? Became
Yeah.
very stubborn. If my kid is saying, mama, I don't want to eat it, I say, okay, let it be. You don't want to eat, let it be. I don't
Okay.
have anything to give you to eat. You stay hungry.
Oh my goodness.
As a mother, I have to become, very hard,
Yeah.
right, to make them understand that this is not good and this is something bad for you. If we
Mm-hmm.
will not cultivate that, these habits at the early age, gradually they will become mature, and that gradually they will become very stubborn,
Yeah.
right? So
That is.
it's very important. And let them hungry, I let them, keep them hungry. You stay hungry, I will not give you food. How long
Mm-hmm.
you will stay hungry? Tell me how long you will stay hungry. Let me see how much patience you have.
Okay. Yeah.
we need to
Sometimes.
we need to become, sometime very hard. It's very important. And mothers जो होती है ना, mother is always a soft, oh I have a very soft, I'm very emotional, soft heart, I need to, I can't do it. तो इतने में ना वो थोड़ा सा हो जाती, पिघल जाती. But no, we don't have to follow this principle. Why? Because over the period of time you will see your kid will become stubborn. He will always try to insist the many thing, right? And
Yeah,
he
right.
always shows tantrum.
Hmm.
Before they jump into that nature, that environment, we have to create that stoppage. if we will
Definitely.
not if we will not do, then who will do?
Yeah, definitely. That is the true. And many women told me about this thing. You should do this kind of things if your baby insisting to you, right? So definitely I will try this one also. You know, my baby nowadays what they started to say, Mama, अगर तुम मेरी बात नहीं मानोगी ना, मैं भी तुम्हारी बात नहीं मानूंगा.
No, he
Yeah.
will imitate you. He will imitate you. One day my son, one day I gave him carrot juice to my son. I think I'm talking about that last winter, I gave him the carrot juice. I said, you load, take it, and you have to finish it. What he did, he drained off. And I asked him, where is your carrot juice? Mama, I drank. I said, you drink? See,
Cold.
I'm your mother. I'm your mother. I can easily understand. Right? So I told him, tell me the truth. What did you do? Then he told me, Mama, I drained off. What I did, I gave him punishment that you just go out of the house and you will stay there until and unless I will call you to come in. He
Okay.
keeps saying yes. He was keep saying me, Mama, I'm sorry, I won't do it, I won't do it, I won't do it. Somewhere I was also feeling very bad.
Hmm. As a mother,
Like
that is the
the
yeah.
mother, yes, I was feeling very bad. I was crying inside, but I can't let myself weak in front of him. I
Yeah.
allow him to stay outside for 1 hour.
My God.
And since then, and nowadays, he's saying, Mama, I love carrot juice. Whenever you will give me, na, I will finish it.
Oh, wow. So sweet.
I cried a lot that day. I cried a lot that day, but I never show him my tears because I don't want to portray myself as a weak mother. That's very important. Being a mother, हम सब बहुत soft hearted होते हैं अपने बच्चों के लिए. सब,
Yeah, yeah.
every mother. But we need to be take a strong step for them. That's very important.
Yeah, definitely. Now you have experience
All
that.
kids are same. See, all kids are same.
Yeah.
Every kid show tantrum. Every kid insist. Every kid stubborn.
Mm-hmm.
If you will not, the question is, if you will not take the stand for your kids, if you will not cultivate that ethos, that manners to your kids at the early age, then who will? Teacher
Definitely.
तो नहीं सिखाएगा, टीचर तो नहीं सिखाएगा ना.
Mm-hmm.
Parents has to take the responsibility for it.
Yeah, definitely. I will do the same now. I will try to be a strong.
Let him
Yeah.
cry. Let him cry. At least
Mhm.
he should realize that my mother is very strong. He will punish me if I'll not do it.
Yeah, even my husband told me many times, let him cry for some times. But I don't know why. I went with him and I try to make him understand, baby, don't do. I will give you whatever you want, but don't cry. It's happened with me,
This
so
is
I need to
weak
change
point, na?
myself.
I believe
Yeah.
this is weak point of every mother. Every
Mhm.
mother. है ना?
Yeah.
हम अपने बच्चों के बहुत soft hearted होते हैं. We are very soft hearted for the kids. But
That's the
करना
my,
पड़ेगा.
yeah. We should do. We should do definitely. Yeah.
Yes.
I will try. I try to be a strong mother.
And don't
Now,
show your
Lord.
tears. Don't show your tears in front of him.
Mhm.
Don't show. Never ever show them that you are crying for them. Be strong as much as you can because that's very important. If he will teach today, now if you will give some manners today, it will remain with him till the end of his life. जो वो अभी सीखेंगे वो end तक रहेंगे. Right? Very important.
I agree with you. giving me this advice, and definitely I will follow. It will be very helpful for me because my baby now started to very stubborn. He is doing very insist nowadays. So yeah, that
Mhm.
is it will help me a lot.
All kids are same, all mothers are same. The thing
Hmm,
is that mindset. Everything is here. How you look at your kids, right? What you want to make him.
that
If
is
you
the
want to give, if you want to contribute to the society, right? So you have to cultivate these manner, these ethos at the early age. तभी वो एक अच्छे citizen बन पाएंगे. Then only he can be a good citizen of India.
and strong person as well.
Yes.
That
They
is
will
the important.
understand the principle, they will understand the discipline, they will understand the values of what you are providing them.
Yes, that is matter a lot. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, then thank you so much for advising me. It was really nice conversation with you. I
Anytime,
hope
any.
we connect again.
Yes. Sure, sure. Till then, goodbye and keep practice.
Thank you. Have a
Bye
good
bye.
day.